Let's try number 2. First thing, look for the best variable to solve for. So the only variable here that just has a 1 in front of it is y in the first equation, 1y. So that's what we're going to solve for this time. We want to get this y by itself, so we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. So we get y equals negative 3x minus 2. Then, to go ahead and take the next step, we're going to take negative 3x minus 2 and substitute it into the other equation in the place of y. So negative 3x minus 2 is going to take the place of that y in that equation. We get 4x plus 3 times negative 3x minus 2 all equals 4. So we can go ahead and distribute. We get 4x minus 9x minus 6 equals 4. Then we can combine like terms. Negative 5x minus 6 equals 4. Get the x on one side by itself, so we have to get rid of this minus 6. We're going to add 6. And then divide by negative 5. So x is negative 2. But we're not done yet. We need to figure out what y is. So we're going to take negative 2 and substitute it into that equation we solved for earlier. Y is going to be negative 3 times negative 2 minus 2. So we get 6 minus 2, which is 4. So our final answer for this is the ordered pair 4, negative 2. Nice thing about these, you can always check your answers. You can put these back in to make sure that the problem works. 3 times 4, if we put that in, gives us 12. Plus negative 2, something's wrong. Why doesn't that work? Because Mr. Mitchell wrote it backwards. Right? Our y value is 4, x is negative 2. So just by plugging that in, I found my mistake. Saved myself some points if this was a quiz. Now if we go back and check, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 4 gives us negative 2, so that works. It should work in this one too. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, plus 3 times 4, that's 12. So negative 8 plus 12 gives us 4. So it's nice to be able to check that and fix your mistakes. I didn't really mean to make that mistake, but it kind of worked out nice for that.